Hello friends, we are going to install today a dash camera in Audi Q7 year 2018. So the dash camera we're going to install is 70 my dash cam Omni X200, and we're going to try to do hardwire. So I'll show you the fuses we are going to use. So I was just checking, there is like 3 fuse box locations. One is at this side here, so you can find constant 12 volt easily here, but there is no ignition 12 volt there. And then there is a fuse box panel here, which I just took out this cover, and the other one I'll show you around. So this is a right hand one. I think probably left hand drive one could have been at different locations for fuse box, could be same. So according to manual, one of fuse box is behind this panel here. Well, I'll try to confirm here. Probably have to take that panel out to verify if it's behind there, or it could be on same side. It doesn't look like at this side, so yeah, I'll just going to test it, and then I'll show you my final connections and how I'm gonna run this wire for camera. So sorry guys, it's getting a bit late, so light gonna be a bit dark here. So yeah, we just have installed the finished the installation, and that's the camera. I'm gonna use some clips to just hold this wire up there, and as you can see, it's working. I have tested already. So that wire going all the way up here around, then you just tuck that in and run it along under this rubber here. So this panel, you try to pry from this side, and you have to make sure there is a clip at bottom here. Take this out like that. So I haven't used this fuse box here. Our ground is running from here, so this is the screw I use because I don't want to drill any other hole or any screw drill inside the metal. So I use this existing one here. So running along your wire here, tuck it in there, run it through there. So I bring it to this fuse box, so you can slide that. Let me get a good angle here. So yeah, on top from here, slide that wire in here, and you're gonna catch this to this fuse box here. So luckily we don't need to explore here any other further for fuse connections, because only this side fuse box got both our memory voltage, like consistently 12 volt from battery. So I use this second one here. There is a lot of free spaces, so I use one of that for consistent 12 volt, and this ACC one I use this first row here. But make sure you got a test lamp or maybe a multimeter to test it before doing your connections. Will save you a lot of time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.